Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today I'm going to show you 4 main reasons why your toilet still smells horrible even after you wash the floor and the sink and the toilet bowl. So let's get to it. Reason number 1. Under your sink, this has never been cleaned and this is nasty. Alright, this gives a lot of smell, so make sure you always clean this up at least once a month. Reason number 2 why your toilet stinks even after you wash it is that you did not wash the sides of your toilet bowl or under the sink. Right, all this will actually leave a bit of a mold. That's where you get all the smell. Reason number 3 would be you did not clean the grout, the floor as well as the wall. Alright, as you can see over here. You can either use a toothbrush or you can spray on a bit of bleach. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then you can rinse it off. Reason number 4, and this is where most people forget, your drain hole. Nobody cleans this, but this is the way I do it. I'll use a toilet brush and I will go down into it. Alright, there you have it guys. That's the 4 reasons why your toilet still stinks. Especially the drainage hole. That's horrible. Alright, as well as the one under the sink. That is bad. That is really, really bad. And how do these get accumulated? Well, let's just say after you brush your teeth and all, you rinse your mouth, you did not let enough water to run through the system, so it gets stagnant there, and the rest is history. You saw how bad it was, you saw how good it was after cleaning. Same goes with the drainage hole. I hope this helps. If you have long hair, you probably need to clean even more, because you get a lot of hair coming out of it, just like all this came out from the brush after I went through the drainage hole. Yeah, that's all just hair. It's not even my hair, alright? My hair is longer. That's my wife's hair and my kid's hair. I bathe in a different bathroom. Alright, so that's it for today. Short video, I hope it's useful. Some home DIYs. And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like and the bell button so you get notified on our future uploads. Probably next Monday. Alright? Till that, I'll see you again.